Seattle's autumn unveils a tapestry of breathtaking escapes where nature, warmth, and vibrant culture entwine. Begin your journey at the iconic Discovery Park, where the magnificence of fall colors meets the serene backdrop of Puget Sound. As cool breezes welcome you, savor Seattle's famed coffee culture, a comforting cup in hand from a cozy cafe in Capitol Hill. Revel in the warmth of local gatherings at Pike Place Market. Enjoy artisanal crafts and seasonal treats. Autumn in Seattle is not just a season, it's a celebration of nature, community, and heartwarming experiences. Embrace it all with open arms.